How to activate AT&T prepaid SIM card. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC and then simply search for AT&T SIM card online. Once you search for it, scroll below, then tap on the first one that says att.com. Go ahead and tap onto it, and just like so, as you can see, it says activating your account is easy. All you have to do is simply remove your SIM card from the packaging, insert it in your unlocked device, and then turn on the device. So you want to go ahead and scroll below, then tap on get started. Inside here, you'll be asked how many are you activating today. I'm going to go ahead and tap on one, then tap on continue. And just like that, inside here, you will need to enter your ICC number or SIM number, or you can select EID number as well. So when you tap on where do I find it, it shows exactly where you can find your SIM number or ICC number right over here. And after you do that, you can go ahead and simply type in your IMEI number, tap on where do I find it, and it will give you an instruction. After that, simply go ahead and type in your zip code, and then once done, tap on continue. And just like that, once you have tapped on continue, follow the on-screen instructions, and then you'll be able to activate your AT&T prepaid SIM card. That's how you do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.